Performance. DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI adapter connects a DP desktop or laptop to an HDMI display, monitor, projector or TV. Supports HD 1920 by 1200, 1080p, video, 7.1 chains audio, HDCP 1.4, 8 inches, 21 centimeters attached cable. Host compatibility. Tested for compatibility with DP++ source. Passive converter supports DP++ source connector incl workstations, desktops, AMD Nvidia video cards, laptops, small form factor computers docking stations. Connect to a primary or secondary display. Connect an HDMI monitor, projector or TV, or add a second display to your workstation. Portable small form factor design makes it easy to carry between home office and office. Latching DisplayPort connector. DP to HDMI adapter dongle has latching DP connector to prevent accidental disconnection from the host DP port. Tested with HDMI cables at extended lengths up to 35 feet. Easy to use. With no software or drivers required, the DisplayPort to HDMI video adapter is OS independent. DP male to HDMI female. Top reviews from the United States. DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. This does exactly what I hoped it would. I have a Lenovo port adapter plugged into my ThinkPad. The adapter has HDMI port and DisplayPort port. I switched to running large LED displays, which both require HDMI ports. The adapter converts the DisplayPort to HDMI signal perfectly. Ta-da!